The freezing friction mechanism will keep you refreshed without any pain. The revolutionary temperature controlling band, Thermonecks. Hard to stay focused, stressed from work, or any professional drivers suffering from exhaustion or driving drowsy? Thermoneck has got you covered. If your bad posture is kept for a prolonged period of time, your neck will tense up in pain. So, heat will arise around your neck where it is not really necessary. Thermoneck's dual-degree system applies 14-degree cooling around your cervical spines and 20 degrees around your carotid for safety. Keep your body in good condition with the dual-degree system. The sturdy and perfectly fitting neck support. It will provide you a comfortable fit. And with the portable charger package, easily carried around for your outdoor adventures. Or freeze it for only 10 minutes. It's easy and instant to reuse. Forget about expensive and uncomfortable electronic cooling devices. Thermonecks has got you covered. The revolutionary temperature controlling band, Thermonecks.
Thermonecks was founded in 2019. It was extensively researched for the physical recovery of athletes in various sports like basketball, baseball, and football. Our leading technology's goal was to freeze a substance at room temperature without any cold pain. We were able to fully develop the technology of maintaining 14 degrees and 20 degrees, the coolest and safest temperatures of the human body. The dual temperature technology makes refreshing physical recoveries possible in any condition. We have gone through thousands of prototypes and done product testing to focus on our development process. Thermonecks is not an ice pack, it is science. We are awaiting our backers' love and support to give life to Thermonecks and bring it up to perfection.
The revolutionary temperature controlling band, Thermonecks.